Hey, I totally get it. Those make money fast tutorials always leave you hanging. But this one's
Mhm.
different. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how you can earn real cash clipping on Whop. No smoke and mirrors, just simple steps you can follow. And do me a favor, stick around until the very end, because I'm sharing insider tips that could make or break your earnings. If you miss them, trust me, you won't make a cent. And if you didn't join the crypto boom or dropshipping trend, don't miss this. The Whop Content Rewards Program is the next golden opportunity, and it might be your chance to ride the wave. Sound good? Let's jump in. First, open Google and search for Whop. Click on the official link, then hit Sign Up. Choose Continue with Google, select your Gmail account, and press Continue. You'll receive an email verification code. Just open your Gmail app, copy the code, paste it back into Whop, and you're verified. Next, enter your name. Pick a username, upload a profile picture, and click Save. Finally, join the first Whop. Click Next, and congratulations! You now have your very own Whop account. Or you can sign up directly through the link in the description. Now, our goal is to unlock the rewards program, so we will go to the Discover tab, click on it, and then scroll a little to find the rewards program section, and then click on Show All. And that's it, we are in. As you see all these campaigns that you can join and start clipping and make money from. You can sort the type by clipping or UGC or both. Also, you can choose the category that you want, or you can just keep it on all. Also, you can sort all by highest available budget, most paid out, highest CPM, or newest campaigns. Let's sort by most paid out to find the top earning programs. Let's take, for example, Autopilot Clips. It shows a $4 CPM, that's $4 per 1,000 views, and a $15,000 budget. It's a clipping campaign on TikTok. This Whop only accepts TikTok, but the majority of them accepts TikTok, Instagram, and also YouTube. Even if this campaign's budget runs low, do not be afraid, they'll refresh or launch new ones, so keep an eye out. Want inspiration? Click the Submissions tab to see real creators earning thousands per clip. Some pulled in $3,500 from a single video, others $2,500. Scroll through their work to spark ideas for your own content. Now let's back to the content rewards section. How to join these Whops. There are two types. One of them accepts you directly, and the other one, you need to provide some easy answers for their questions. And if there are some hard ones, you just need to copy the question and ask ChatGPT to give you answers for it. And after putting answers, click Continue and wait. Hours till a day to get accepted. But most of them are free to join without appealing. Now let's join, for example, this one, which is Windsurf Creators Club. Click Join. And that's it, you are in. Now, I did join another Whops, as you see. This section is where you find all the Whops that you have joined. Now, let's see Autopilot Clips. Okay, this is the chat section where you can connect with fellow clippers, swap strategies, and stay motivated together. And this one is the home page where they will update you with their newest informations. For example, new podcasts to clip or new campaigns. Next is the Learn tab. Click on Tutorials. And this is their course, just simple information's inside, so make sure to check them. They are few minutes as you see. And finally, the Earn tab. Click on Content Rewards, and here you are. I already explained those, so let's see the requirements. You should pay attention to them because if you didn't follow the requirements, your video will not get approved. Things like the length of the video and putting their disclaimer on every video, you must read them. And if you scroll a little, you will find the assets that you need to start clipping. Things like the Google Drive link that you will take podcasts and clips from, and also the disclaimer that you will paste on every description of a video that you post. Not every Whop like this one, because others, maybe they will give you their YouTube channel link and you can clip directly from it. Now we click on All Rewards, and here you find all the campaigns of this Whop. Now let's see how you submit your video that you clipped. Click on the campaign that you work on and click on Submit. Scroll down to the bottom, and here paste the link of your video and also upload it in the Upload Media section, and then click Submit and wait till you get approved. And that's it. Now just wait for approval and watch your earnings grow. Alright, let's go over the tips I promised you. These are key if you want your videos to get approved smoothly. Miss them, and all your effort might go to waste. First tip. As soon as you post on TikTok or any platform, copy the link and submit it to the campaign immediately. Whop timestamps every submission, and if you're late, meaning more than an hour after posting, your video will be rejected no matter how good it is. Timing is everything. Second tip. When you create a TikTok or any social account for clipping, make sure your username includes the brand's name. For example, if you're working with Autopilot, a name like Autopilot Clips works great. Then go to your Whop profile. Click on Connected Accounts, select the platform you used, and paste your profile link. Click Add. Then copy the code Whop gives you and paste it into your account's bio. Once that's done, click Verify. And just like that, your account is officially linked and ready to go. Nail these two, and you're set to start earning real cash on Whop. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions below. I'll see you in the next video.